I am Patrick.
The boat crew.
This is a new friend. Wait, what is it? Banana? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Pat Max Adventures. I am Patrick. Here in El Nido, today is my second day. It is currently 7 a.m. I'm walking to the dive shop that I booked my dives through. So today I'm gonna spend a whole day of diving. It's been about a year and a half since I've dived. I'm gonna do a refresher dive and then 2 other dives. So a total of 3 dives today. I'm really excited to get back into diving, and I've heard that the diving here in El Nido is supposed to be unbelievably beautiful. Good morning. Can we get the American breakfast? Yeah. Thank you. Before going diving today, guys, I need to have some good breakfast. I just came to this cafe restaurant yesterday, so they already remember me from when I asked for scrambled eggs yesterday. So some eggs, some toast, some bacon, and I think I'll be ready to dive.
To introduce the people here in the boat. So the boat crew, we have Dennis, okay, and we have Batar, and we have also Joey at the back. So guys, they are the boat crew, so they're gonna help us to put our equipment on, take the equipment from the water, and also if you need something for us, just tell them, they're gonna provide it to you. Okay, and also the captain. We have the captain, Cap Vincent, and the captain's cabin is busy doing the things.
I made it onto the boat, and this is a new friend, Louis, from Australia.
Yeah.
Super fun guy, and he's actually got the same camera, actually better camera than I do. He's got the Sony 4X. How long have you been here in El Nido?
I've been here for 10 days.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And what dive is this for you today?
This is dive 4 for me.
Dive 4, okay.
Dive 4 in El Nido.
So I just came up for my first dive, guys. It's been about a year and a half. Did a pretty good job, I think, except my mask was on a little too tight. You can see the mark there. Here's my equipment, guys. I've got my tank, my flippers, BCD, buoyancy control device. Which Louis just helped me remind me what that stood for. I was like, wait, what is it, BCD? So we've just been relaxing for the last 15 minutes. We're about to do our second dive. This is apparently a really popular area here in El Nido. We're gonna start over here, we're gonna descend, then we're gonna dive all the way down, probably about 15 meters because visibility, and we're gonna go all the way over to that island. There we go, I got it. I couldn't pull off a banana. These cute little Filipino bananas. This is Mark. He's from Manila, and he made sure to remind me that Filipino bananas are not always small like this.
Save yourself and enjoy the food. Sorry.
What is this food?
I think this is pork African. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Vegetable curry.
Vegetable curry?
Yeah, it's so made by this channel.
This is this I don't know what it is. But
This one we don't know what this is.
Of course, it wouldn't be complete without fried chicken. Now we're getting ready for our last and final dive of the day, which is supposed to be the most beautiful and has some pretty big sharks and fish here. This is called a Big Rock, super beautiful, has lots of slopes. I'm really excited from what I hear from everyone that we should hopefully see some pretty good things here. mixed up again. He has a YouTube channel as well where he uploads a lot of footage of him spearfishing, right?
That's right.
Right. So I will leave a link to his channel down below. If you're into spearfishing and you want to see some deep underwater spearfishing,
Hit that subscribe button down there.
yeah, and check out Louis' channel. These three handsome guys. Three. One, two, three. Five handsome guys. Thank you so much to Submarina Diving Center. They were awesome. If you come to El Nido, check them out.
I'm Ace.
Anna, and Anna was my dive instructor. Thank you so much.
Original dive master.
Oh, original.
Also, congratulations to Cynthia for finishing the rescue course. And also to Mark as well, a new open water dive.
Thank you, guys.
And also thank you so much for all fun divers.
I had a wonderful experience with Submariner Diving Center in El Nido. They were very professional. The total cost for 3 fun dives came out to 4,000 pesos. Everything was included with the equipment. Lunch was also included and provided. It was an all-around good experience. The guys were very professional, fun, and the group that we had that day was a lot of fun as well. I definitely recommend them if you're wanting to go diving in El Nido.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 po. So we going there? Okay. Yeah.
This is Mark from Diving Today, and then there are a few other people from our dive in the tricycle ahead of us. We are going to Las Cabanas Beach for the sunset, and it's turning out to be a beautiful sunset so far. One cool thing about the beach area here, guys, is if you want to zip line, you can travel to this island here and you can follow the zip line all the way across over here. Oh, actually there's two. There's 2 zip lines. There's this one and then there's this one that goes all the way over here back to the beginning of the beach over there. This is Matt from the tour in Corone, and then here are the girls from Corone. Oh my god! Alright ladies, I'll see you in a little bit. Yeah, nice seeing you. Bye guys. What a small world. So those are all the girls from the tour in Corone. So fun, so funny. So now guys, the sunset is going down. What an incredible sunset. If you come to El Nido, this is one of the best places to watch the sunset. It's a really chill and cool place to just relax and watch the sunset, have some drinks, and just hang out with friends. For dinner tonight, guys, we are going to Athena restaurant, Mediterranean food. I just had to finish stuff at my hostel, so everyone just arrived, so I am going to go up and try to find them. I found you guys! So easy. Thank you.
Chicken souvlaki.
Oh, yes.
Beef burritos. Thank you.
Wow. What is that?
Right?
I'll take the squid, I don't mind, it's alright.
So what is squid,
We can just do half and then
shrimp,
take the squid.
another fish? And June, what did you get? Gambosa. Gambosa, shrimp, pasta. I got the skewers. Chicken. So dinner, the whole day was great. The other guys just took off, and I think we're all gonna be heading back to our rooms and relaxing.
Yeah.
So much fun meeting you, Mark, and Paulina. Paulina, she was so cool. First, she was getting her license today. Oh no, she's in the process of getting her
So
license.
that would be, tomorrow would be
Tomorrow
her
would
second
be
dive.
Tomorrow is her second day of diving, so that's
Yeah.
really exciting.
I hope surprise.
Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I'll see you guys
End of the
next time.
video.